Only a few words.
I will teach you. We will be spending much time together, and you will learn. I have much business in Spanish as well as in French, so it is important that you learn that I learn from you. Why are you shaking? Relax.
It is our fate. It is the curse of slavery. We are still slaves. Slaves to a broken heart. Life without love. Now, just think of the beautiful house and clothes and Stop it! All the rest of you think of are things. Just things. But I will have a baby to share the love that I can never share with my lover. I will share my love through his child.
All right.